Hey, everybody, it's Dr. Leona. I am not really dancing too much right now. It is so late at night, and I am doing it late. Always when I'm in this setting, it's late at night. This is because I've got so much work tomorrow and the next day, and I don't think I'll be able to get done all the readings. The first card out of the deck, who is this reading for? That's a good question. This reading is for my beautiful Aries. Aries, Sun, Moon, planetary placements, North and South Node, as well as ascendants. Herald of Wands and the Eight of Cups is here. This is about walking away, getting a new start, walking away, making this decision to walk away from this person. Okay? Ten of Cups is here. This is my ancestors card. The ancestors, I just got to shuffle it up a little bit more. The ancestors are usually, oopsie, and then a bunch of cards fell out. I'll show you what they are. I've been having that problem with this deck. If you looked at looked at one of my shorts, not my actual shorts that I'm wearing, which I am wearing shorts. But it's interesting. Okay, I'll show you all these cards. This is how I picked them up, right? So this feels like there's more than this is a reading unto itself. I'm going to keep them all because this is pretty good. Let's keep them all. And what's at the bottom of the deck? It's the Seven of Wands. It's upside down, but that's the Seven of Wands. All right. Let's see. This is how it came out. So this is where I was pulling, and then this is what fell out. The Hermit fell out. So it does look like someone is thinking about walking away from a passionate new start. And this isn't just about lovers. This is about making a permanent decision to cut out someone, to cut out something. The Hermit is here. This year has been, the last 2 years have been like hermiting energy, right? 2 minutes and 13 seconds, as I said, that Jupiter is influenced here. This is Mercury energy. We've got this, the Lover's card is also Mercury energy. So double Mercury on the board. Mercury is now direct. It went direct on June 3rd, and it will be direct until, I believe, September 9th. And then it goes retrograde for a short time before turning direct yet again. But we do end the year, December 30th, Mercury goes retrograde. So Mercury is going retrograde. It usually goes retrograde about 3 times a year. This time, 4. 4 times. 4 times. It's not a dark triad anymore. It's a dark tetrad. Indeed. So I see the Hermit here. That was the card. And then these are the cards that fell out of the deck when I was just doing. I felt the need to do a quick shuffle because I felt like cards were sticky. I don't like that when that happens. But you've got Mercury energy, King of Cups. So someone's holding back. Someone's been hermiting. It's delayed. They've been delayed in coming forward because they've been healing. But you are their star, my beautiful Aries. It could be somebody with a Libra ascendant or a Libra energy. You are the heir of fire, Aries. So this could be your energy as well. It's also Venus. So we have Saturn and Venus here. Mercury. I usually see this as Cancer or Scorpio. So that's the Moon and Mars. And then what else we got? The Lovers is Mercury as well. The Six of Pentacles is here. Strength card. I love it. Okay, so this is really nice. It is and it isn't, like because the Justice card and the Six of Pentacles, to me, that's often about a divorce, leaving someone behind. That's how I translate that. So if we look at this, you might get a new opportunity to walk away. That might be what's happening for some of you. And you make this decision to cut someone out, but it's going to upset your family. It's going to upset you in your life a little bit, but it's a good decision for you. Then the Hermit is here. You're thinking about it, holding back on it. It's causing a little bit of a delay because you are concerned about money. Then the Four of Swords is here. You are trying to heal so that you can go after what you want. It's about balancing the scales, not tipping them. Okay. Strength card. That's it. That's a good way to put that. Strength card is here. So that's Leo energy. That's the sun energy coming through. Venus energy here. Mercury is here. Saturn is here. Make sure you look at all these placements. Let's see what the ancestors have to say. Ancestors, please help us focus on one card. They're telling me to move this one. Okay. Please help us to focus on one card here. Nope. No, maybe. Yeah, it is that one, actually, weirdly. Well, sort of like there's a few cards they want me to... These 5. Okay, I gotcha. I got your back, ancestors. Thank you. All right, so it does look like they want you to focus on these cards. So this is about healing so that you can have what you want. Healing the Saturn energy in your life. Remember, the Four of Swords is often a person in a coffin, right? So some of you could be wanting to go to a place that is known for death or something, right? Like New Orleans, Saturn energy. Saturn is tough energy with Venus. Saturn and Venus in the strength card. Leo. Leo is the house of past life luck. So it does look like you might be getting some kind of luck here coming through for you. Some monies will be coming through for you. That's what they want you to focus on, healing so that you can have what you want in life. Have that whatever it is that your heart desires, your wish fulfillment. They're saying that the cards are saying that it's justice, what you want, healing. You want healing too. That's what you want. You really want to heal things, heal yourself, heal your life. I don't know. If you had a chance to escape for a little bit, would you? I don't just mean like a vacation, like live in another city for a year. Would you do it if you had the chance? The cat and lavender. Lavender is actually good for sleeping, for rest, and it's also good for anxiety. I don't know if you knew that. Yeah, I mean, not just smelling it, but there's actually gel capsules that you have to talk to your doctor about before even thinking about taking them. But there's a special kind of lavender. The product is called Selexin, and it's a German-made product, and the gel capsule is there to help protect your tummy. You can't just drink lavender oil, you'll hurt yourself. So that's why it's in a gel capsule. And it's a prescription drug in Germany for anxiety. Yeah, there you go. Now you learned something new. But just make sure you talk to your doctor. The cat and lavender is about independence. This is like a spirit guide coming through. Yeah, this is about independence, isn't it? Oh, that's interesting. All right, Aries. And Aries, look at this. The universe is giving me the pillar. The pillar is the Emperor card for me. The Emperor is you. That's your energy, my beautiful Aries. Heidi is sending along the dog. Oh my gosh. A cat and a dog. It's like completion here. Dog brings guidance and support on dog brings guidance and support as man's greatest friend. On his devotion and loyalty, you can always depend. So that's nice. I like that. Thanks, Heidi. And then the Kitsune deck, number 18, To Dance with Joy. Isn't that nice? So I think this is about having the strength to go after your joy, knowing that you have loyal friends around you. Fighting for your own independence is not a bad thing. It's a good thing. The pillar is here. We manifest in different ways. We don't even realize it, how we manifest. So looking at that, I think is going to really help you, my beautiful Aries. It's number 18, and that's about life. 18 becomes the number 9, which is a natural numerical mirror. So I hope this has been helpful to you, my beautiful Aries. I have to take this over to the extended. Not just because I'm exhausted and I have to take it to the extended, but also because I think it's a good idea to see what this all means. This is all surface energy. If we want to see what's underneath, we have to go to the extended and really get the rest of the story. That's the heart and soul of the reading. That's how I see the extendeds. And having been a big fan of tarot for many years myself, I know what it costs, and I don't want anybody to, have to spend a lot of money. So if you come over to the Patreon party, unlike other readers, you get not one extended, you get all extendeds. And I do mean all. Try 180 videos right now, 180 plus. The plus signs there. Yep, that's a lot of videos. It's a good value. In fact, I call it the best value in tarot because I myself will easily spend $11, $12, $13, $14, $15, whatever it is that people are charging, I'll spend it because I want to see the extended. And then when I see the extended, it doesn't last forever. It's like it's a streaming thing, and it like lasts for a few days. Or even if you get someone that gives you the extended forever, how often do you go back and see it on the site, right? You can't download it. And then I mean, here, that's for one video. You spend what you spend on Patreon for 180 plus videos. You spend it on one video. That's not good math. So come over to Patreon where the math is better. My Patreon party, it's at leonamercuryphd. I have all that information on my website, of course, and information is below the video if you want to check it out in the description box. And right now there's no contest. I just announced winners for the contest, but I do have the great podcast, Traveling Amongst the Stars. And I am doing an event on Sunday. Yes, I'm excited about that event, y'all. I can't wait, and I hope you are excited too, because it's going to be very special. Messages from Spirit. It's on Eventbrite. Again, information in the description box below if you want to join me. I only had 20 tickets available, and I don't have 20 tickets available anymore, but it's not going to be sold out, which is really good. I'm glad. But at the same time, I'm really glad because I'm one person. I can't be doing a million readings, but the fewer people that are there, the better for you, because then I can do micro readings for people. I can answer questions about your Vedic astrology chart, which if you are a Patreon crew member, a VIP member, you would have gotten for free from me, along with any explanations you needed, which is not something that you can get for free or even for $12. It just doesn't happen. You get a chart, a horoscope. You can get a horoscope for like $65. You can get a chart, a full-blown chart with all the different layers and levels for over $300. If you want just a career chart, that could be like $100+. So there's so many layers and levels to Vedic astrology that's kind of where it's at. All right, I'm going to end right here, right now. Love you guys. Thanks for coming over. Hopefully I'll see you on the other flip side with Patreon, okay? Bye now.